If your domain is not resolving in Namecheap, or your website and email suddenly seem to be down, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Namecheap DNS outage issue the right way, how to check whether the problem is actually on Namecheap's side, and how to verify your Nameservers and DNS records so you can get your domain working again. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the most important first step. Open your browser and check the Namecheap status page. This is where you can see whether there is a current DNS-related service incident, outage, or maintenance issue affecting domain resolution. If Namecheap is actively reporting an issue, the problem may not be on your account at all. That means the best thing to do may simply be to wait for their team to resolve it. Now, if the status page does not show a major outage, or if you want to confirm your domain settings while you wait, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Domain List, find the domain that is having the problem, and click Manage next to it. This opens the settings for that specific domain. From here, look for the Nameserver section. This is one of the most important places to check when a domain is not resolving. You need to confirm that your domain is using the correct nameservers for your hosting provider. If the nameservers are wrong, your domain may point to the wrong place or not load at all. If you are using Namecheap shared hosting, select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. This tells Namecheap to use the correct default DNS setup for your hosted website. If you are using a different hosting provider, do not guess or leave the old settings in place. Instead, enter the exact nameservers that your hosting provider gave you. These nameservers are usually listed inside your hosting account or welcome email, and they must match exactly. If you are using Namecheap BasicDNS, then your setup is a little different. In that case, go to Advanced DNS and open the Host Records section. Here, you need to check your A record, CNAME record, MX records, and TXTX records. Make sure the values are correct and that nothing important is missing. The A record should point to the right server IP address. The CNAME record should match the target provided by your host or service. MX record should be correct if you use email. And TXT record should be accurate for things like verification or email authentication. A very important tip here, do not randomly change or delete DNS records. DNS is sensitive, and one wrong edit can break your website or email. Always compare the records in Namecheap with the values given by your hosting provider or email provider. If you're not sure what a record should be, check the official instructions from the service you're connecting. If you recently changed nameservers, there is one more thing you need to know. DNS propagation takes time. Namecheap says nameserver changes can take 24 to 48 hours to fully spread worldwide. So if you just updated your nameservers, your domain may not resolve immediately everywhere, even if the settings are correct. In that case, the best move is to wait, refresh later, and allow propagation to finish. So to quickly recap, first check the Namecheap status page for a live DNS outage, then log in, open your domain management page, confirm the nameservers, and verify your DNS records if you use BasicDNS. And if you just made changes, remember that propagation can take up to 48 hours. If this video helped you fix your Namecheap DNS issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want a follow-up video on how to check DNS records step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.